Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Home Education. Today I am going to give you the very simple summary of the third level from Vistas book class 12th CBSE board. Before I give you the summary, first I want to tell you the most important thing in this lesson. In this lesson, there are two most important things that could be understood. Otherwise, this lesson can never be understood very easily. So, listen the first point. The first point is that in this lesson, the consequences of war is described. The writer Jack Finney describes that the war is always dangerous. Its consequences are very dangerous and fatal. War is not a good thing. It can cause many inconveniences to the people. So it also gives mental pain and agony to human being. And after war or during war or before war, there are so much trouble that are caused. So some some people cannot tolerate these inconveniences, and they want to shift in the world of fantasy. They want to shift themselves in the world of fantasy, in the world of imagination. So the hero of this story, Charlie, is like this. He was troubled from the war and inconveniences of war. He wanted to transfer himself to the world of fantasy. Therefore, he shifted himself in the world of 18 to 1900, and not only he was shifted, but he was totally played a role in that era. So you have understood the first point. Now I am going to tell you the second point. The second point is the hero of this story. So I want to tell you about the hero of this story. The hero of this story is Charlie, as you know very well. You also know very well that he was mentally disturbed, and he was suffering from hallucination caused by the war, and he was unable to tolerate the other hardships of life. That's why he was transferring to the new world, new era, 18 to 1900. So Charlie was transferring to the new world, new era, 18 to 1900, and he did not control himself to stay himself in the present time. That's why he was transferring to the old times, and he had a quality. Not only he was transferring in the old time, but also he was coming to the modern time, and he had quality of transferring himself to go to the future time. So this is the quality of the hero Charlie. But now I am going to give you the simple summary of this story, which is very important for you. So listen the summary very attentively. When the story starts, one day Charlie was returning from his work. He was returning through a subway. And when he was coming through a subway, he reached to a new place, and he called this place the third level of the Grand Central Station in New York. But it is not true, because in the Grand Central Station, New York, there was only two levels. There was not any third level. But Charlie found this third level. Not only he found the third level, but also he found some ticket window where ticket was being sold. He saw the old furnitures which was belonging to the 18th and 19th century. So he was transferred to the old world, old era, and he tried to buy the ticket from the ticket window because he had a desire to go to Galesburg, Illinois. He wanted to go to Galesburg, Illinois. He wants to go to this place. He had a determination to go to this place for a long time. So he wanted to buy 2 tickets for Galesburg, Illinois for him and his wife. Anyway, but when he tried to buy the ticket from the ticket window, he found that his currency was belonging to the modern time, which was not matching to the old currency. It means that Charlie had reached to the olden age. He had reached to the world of fantasy. So now he came to his house and he discussed about it to his wife. His wife was startled to hear this, and she plainly replied him that this is only his imagination. This is not reality. Then Charlie met his psychologist Dr. Sam, and his psychologist Dr. Sam told him that there was not any third level. It is only his imagination. It is only his escapism. It is only his habit of going to the past land and to the past time. And this is not reality, because there was not any third level of Grand Central Station in New York. Anyway, but Charlie was not going to believe this fact very easily. Anyway, because Charlie's modern currency was not matching to the old currency, because he had tried to buy 2 tickets from the ticket window, and the ticket window was belonging to the third level. So Charlie changed his new currency with the old currency. I mean the currency which was running in 1850 nearly. And he decided that it is no matter if he becomes bankrupt, but he will buy the 2 tickets for Galesburg, Illinois. And he wanted to go to the ticket window of third level, but he didn't find any third level. There was not any third level. So Charlie's psychologist Dr. Friend advised him that he should not do this activity. He should forget that there is third level. Anyway, Charlie decided that he will forget this habit. Now Charlie started his old work of antiques and tickets collecting. he started his old work of antiques and ticket collectings. And during this time, his friend Sam was missing, and Charlie was surprised where his friend Sam has gone. He tried to search for him, but he was unable to find him anywhere. Anyway, he was continue doing his work of gathering the tickets and antiques, and one day he found a letter. This letter was written by Sam to him, and this letter showed that it came from the Galesburg, Illinois. And when Charlie opened this letter, he found this fact. Now listen very attentively. In this letter, Sam wrote to Charlie that Charlie was true. There is a third level of Grand Central Station, and he admitted that he came from the third level to the Galesburg, Illinois. So Charlie was true, and there is a third level, and he should try searching the third level. Means, according to Sam, Charlie should try to search the third level because it is true there is a third level. Anyway, but now I want to disclose one more fact. The story finished here, but now I want to tell you one more fact. This fact is Sam is nothing. I mean, the letter of Sam and the character of Sam is nothing. In fact, there is no any Sam in this story. The role of Sam is played by Charlie. In fact, it is Charlie who went in the past time, who went in the Galesburg, Illinois in his imagination, and he himself wrote a letter to Charlie. There was no any Sam. And this shows that how much Charlie was suffered from the modern difficulties, modern inconveniences, and the effect of war and other complicated problems of life, which was forcing him to transfer in the old age, in the old time. So this is a psychological transfer to the old age and old time and nothing. So this is the story of third level. So how do you like this story? Students, give your feedback, and I am hopeful that you will have understood this story very well, and share this story to other students of class 12 CBSE board, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jai Hind.